Lota.
Liddy Lota.
Lota.
Oh, okay.
Food shop on the game.
In a couple minutes. Everybody, it is Thursday, September 1st, 2011, and it is almost 100 degrees out here again. Anyway, getting ready to go and pick up Adie and take her to get her daughter from school and pick up Jeffrey from school. And they're having a birthday party for Zara today at school. I guess today's her birthday. It's either today or tomorrow, I'm not sure. But I'm guessing it's today since they're having it today. And we're gonna have a party for her at school. So I'm trying to clean out the car here a little bit, make a little bit more room for everybody. And then we'll see how homework goes with Jeffrey tonight. And also tonight is another good big episode of Big Brother. Either Shelly or Adam will be able to be going to the jury house tonight. I'm hoping it will be Adam that gets to stay, but you know, it could go either way. I've heard reports and rumors of Shelly having enough votes to stay, and I've also heard rumors that Adam has enough votes to stay, so I'm just hoping it'll be Adam that stays. But either way, you know, Shelly's been playing the game pretty good, except for getting caught last week, so she's been called out pretty much. And Adam, you know, he's been trying, but he hasn't really won anything, any POVs or HOHs, any competitions, so. But he's been doing good about laying low, pretty much a floater type strategy, or a sit and wait type strategy, but still, at least he's lasted this long. Anywho, we're going to get that done. Oh, and in the tropics weather, Tropical Storm Katia, K-A-T-I-A, however you want to pronounce it, is now a Hurricane Class 1. And it would be a Hurricane Class 2 in about 36 hours, they're estimating. But looking at the tracks and the computer models, it'll more than likely hit Bermuda and then twist to the northeast and then head back east over the Atlantic. So hopefully it won't impact the East Coast near as much as Irene did last week. But they're not expecting any effects from it until early to mid next week. So we might be able to dodge the bullet on that one.
Wait.
Come on, buddy.
Montgomery elevator.
Montgomery elevator. Okay. Okay. Come on.
Jeffrey, come over here. You're the...
All done.
I want to.
No more elevator, Jeffrey. Come on, buddy. What does that say?
Quit taking in pause on board.
Jeffrey, what are you doing? It's locked, man. See, you press on the button. See, it's locked.
Red.
You have to have a special
Button.
key for that one.
Red, green button.
No, it's locked. Come on.
She got a cupcake. She's gonna get a juice. Oh, you're talking about Mika, your sister? Yeah. She's in a different class. Yep, that's why. This is for your class. Jeffrey, eat.
Say something for the other two girls.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Give it.
Say cheese.
Say cheese.
Say cheese.
Yeah, well, you stole my hat, didn't you? He stole my hat.
Well, we're waiting for you.
They just having fun.
Letty Lota.
Liddy Lota.
Letty Lota.
Oh, okay.
Food shop
What?
on the game.
In a couple minutes.
Go.
Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. Can we get it? Ah. Ah. No. Oh, oh no. What are you going to do now? Let's go see your train. Show me your train. Show me how your train talks. Who's it gonna be? Adam or Shelly? Jeffrey. Where'd you go, boy? Fucking great. I found a different one. There he is. What'd you find? Oh, you found a bigger one, huh? No. Here. Here, take it.
Here, take it.
No, sit down.
Sit up.
Sit down.
Sit up.
Oh, Mommy, Daddy will take that train away. Sit down.
Sit down. Sit down or no train. Okay. Let's go find the cookies.
Let's go find the beach chicken.
You show me where the chocolate chip cookies are at, Jeffrey.
Show me the shell. Show me the shells and cheese.
Yeah, we'll do chocolate cheese too.
On the lower.
The cookies. Show me the cookies, Jeffrey. Show me the cookies on the camera. Show me which one. Which one is it? Is it this one here? You want these?
Yes.
Okay, so here. Okay. What do you say, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Woo. Plunk.
Here, ready, set, go!
We'll get some Gatorade. You going fast?
On the cars. Here, ready, set,
Ready, set, what?
go!
Oh.